guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I am going to do a short review on the Diastar mini exercise bike. Let's get right into the video. The first thing I want to say about this machine is that it is very cheap. Yes, it is. I purchased this on eBay for $18.95 for a machine that works this well. Yes, it is very cheap. If you are not an eBay fan, you can definitely get this on Amazon for a little higher price, $28.16, but this is still in the cheap region, as I said before, for a machine that works this well. As Jamaicans, we normally say this little but it talawa. It is very small, but trust me, it gets the job done. Another thing about this machine is that it is made for both hands and legs. Let me give you a little more details on this machine. Features and details. This includes a scan feature that allows you to monitor the calories you are burning. Function display indicate exercise time. Revolution count. Revolution per minute and calories burned. No assembly required. Resistance easily adjusted with tension screw. Other features include boost overall health, sturdy and lightweight, and increase your mobility and circulation. The thing I love most about this machine is that you can sit anywhere and do your exercise. So if you want to go outdoors, then it's up to you. If you want to watch your favorite series, you can definitely watch your favorite series while exercising. This is very lightweight and you can move it wherever you want. You can sit it under your work desk and exercise meanwhile you're working. So that is what I love most about this machine. I am outside today doing the unboxing and I'm just showing you how this machine works. So guys, remember I told you you can do this outside, you can do this inside, wherever you are, because the machine is so lightweight. This machine is ready just for you, so you don't have to screw anything at all. You just have to open it and start your exercise. So we have the tension screw right there, and that is used to adjust the machine how you want it. There are also two circles that when you're finished using the machine, you can close them, but you have to pull on these circles a bit hard so they can be closed. So that is what I am demonstrating here. So once you pull on these circles, the machine will be closed. It won't close all the way, just that little part. Yes. So when you are finished exercising, you have the choice to close it and put it aside, and this will lessen the space that it takes. But if you have a big enough space, you can leave it open and just exercise whenever you are ready. I'm sure by now you know what these letters on the side mean and what that screw is for. This is the area where your hands and your feet should be when you are exercising. And there are two of these for your two hands and your feet. To use this machine is very simple. All you need to do is place your hands or your feet in those pedals below and rotate the machine. And trust me, you will feel that burning effect in your hands and in your feet. You decide whether you want it at a slower or a faster pace. So that's what. So you just want to rotate until you feel that burning effect in those legs and those hands. Whenever the machine is not in use, all the writings will go off. As soon as you start to use it, you will see them appear. So I will demonstrate this for you. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.